I summon thee, Prince of Darkness, by the power of the pact we sealed one sweet and faithful night.
He's our most frightening symbol of evil, the Tempter, the Soul Snatcher, who goes by many names.
Satan, Lucifer, Leviathan.
Tonight is a full moon, and Friday the 13th, an auspicious night for Satanists who are into dark magic and the ancient practice of calling the devil to work. I'm meeting with a man who calls himself High Priest of the First Church of Satan. Thanks to the internet, he is a shadowy mentor for the thousands of kids he communicates with online.
See, I worship devil shit to keep the demons in my head. Close my eyes and now I'm sweating, tossing, turning in my bed. Taking homicide, demons fly as I increase my high. Satan now I purge, but just in shadow, and since time to ride. Slowly rub my eyes to clear my head, cause I'm not seeing straight. Lucifer repeats, it's time to go, but still I hesitate. Even though watching my hands, bro, on my jeans, cause there's a bloody mess. Thinking like, what did I do to get these cuts all on my hands and chest? Feeling so satanic, and I'm panic, and I'm full of rage. Now I'm facing prison, locked away up at an early age. So I grab and count my Glock and get my ass up on a creek. Niggas talking shit about my clique or buried 6 feet deep. Walking to the living room and call my roommates to the dead. Then I start to bug and lead and fuck and shoot up all my friends. Now I'm lurking cautiously. I hope that Jesus calls and say, our eternal leader, evil pimp will be the devil's slave. See, I work some devil shit. You must have been I fuck with this. See, I work some devil shit. I'll put you bitches in a diss. See, I work some devil shit. You must have been I fuck with this. See, I work some devil shit. I'll put you bitches in a diss. See, I work some devil shit. You must have been I fuck with this. See, I work some devil shit. I'll put you bitches in a diss. See, I work some devil shit. You must have been I fuck with this. See, I work some devil shit. I'll put you bitches in a diss. Crescent moon up in the night, and now the evil pimp appears. Families in a panic cause their family members disappeared. For a bloody scene from the king of this evil shit. Penguins splatter walls, homicide I brutally commit. Put ya in a bag with toe tags and then I start to drag. So don't fuck with me, especially when hold up 40 mag. Just like I'm Chris Kringle, slave bell chingle from this plastic knot. Once I pocket style just like a Pringle, so don't fuck with mine. And the gun I hold tight in my hand, increasing murder rate. Pop 'em twice and watch the blood bitch like soda from they face. Made my way to church so I can go and quickly clear my soul. Devil's got a hold, won't let me go, and I can't think no more. And hope I should mention, ain't no fiction, wake you from your sleep. With deadly intention, for the mention, leave you CPD. Got a couple tattoos, now you acting like a killer. I'ma leave you tatted up, floating upside down the river. See, I work some devil shit, you must have been I fuck with this. See, I work some devil shit, I'll put you bitches in a diss. See, I work some devil shit, you must have been I fuck with this. See, I work some devil shit, I'll put you bitches in a diss. See, I work some devil shit, you must have been I fuck with this. See, I work some devil shit, I'll put you bitches in a diss. See, I work some devil shit, you must have been I fuck with this. See, I work some devil shit, I'll put you bitches in a diss. See, I work some devil shit, you must have been I fuck with this. See, I work some devil shit, I'll put you bitches in a diss. See, I work some devil